The S-Series camera have expressive filters built in that allow you to change the look of your still photograph or your video. So I'm going to show you how to access those to apply them to either type of image. So if I press Menu Set and I go to my camera settings and I go to the image quality page down to filter settings, that's where I can change them and set them and vary their look. Now if I want to do this in video, I just go over to video, same image quality 2 page, and filter settings are right at the top there. And if I scroll over, this is where I can set them, I can turn them on and off, and I can adjust them. But I'm going to show you another way to do it. So I'm going to back up here. I'm going to show you the main screen. So you'll notice on the screen of the camera, it's very clean. There's nothing on this right side. But I can turn on a series of tabs over there by going down to the gear or the cog and going over to touch settings. If I go down to touch tab and I turn my touch tabs on, now you'll notice there's a series of tabs over on the side of the screen over here, and expressive is right there in the middle. This turns on my expressive filters. So if I touch that, they're off right now. There's an X on the symbol. I touch that, that turns them on, which, as you notice, changed the color of the screen because I'm applying a filter to it. I'm applying the expressive filter. Now to see the different filters, I can touch expressive. Now I can go through the different filters. Silky monochrome, impressive art, high dynamic. These are all just, now remember, these only apply to JPEGs. These do not work with RAW files. So I'm looking for one called star filter. Now what the star filter is going to do, the star filter is going to put small stars, you can see them better here, it's going to put a star wherever there's a highlight in the image. Now let me go back to this screen. This is where I chose my filter. Now this is where I can adjust the filter. Now this top one here with the small x and the large x is, or the small star, large star, is going to show you that you can make the stars bigger. If you'll watch the scale down here at the bottom, as it goes to the right, the stars actually get larger. Now if I go to the next one down, on the left is less star points coming out of the star, and as I go to the right, the stars get more points to them. So much more noticeable. Now as I go to the bottom one here, I can rotate the stars. So as I do this, I can get a different effect from the stars by doing this. So I think you can see that clearly on the screen. Now when I take the video or the photograph, you're going to see this filter applied to it.